Hello students, today we will continue our lesson number 2, that is GUI operating system and introduction. So earlier we have seen what is operating system, then the icons of the operating system, taskbar, how to change the desktop, change the screensaver. So today we will cover the last topic of the chapter, that is power modes. Power modes of Windows 7. So, see, whenever you are going to the shutdown, you can see this many options are there: switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep, and hibernate. Okay. So, we will see what is sleep and what is hibernate. So there are various ways to shut down your PC. You can turn off the PC completely, make it sleep, or can hibernate the PC. So you can shut down completely by clicking on shutdown option. Then after you can go to the sleep mode also or hibernate mode. So first is sleep mode. Sleep mode is a power saving state that is similar to pausing a DVD movie. All actions on the computer are stopped. Any open documents and application are put in memory while the computer goes into a lower power state. That means sleep is a power saving state where in the system draws only a small amount of power. So Windows automatically save all your works in the memory before turning off the computer. The computer technically stays on but only uses a bit of power. You can quickly resume normal full power operation within a few seconds. So the computer resumes full power operation when you start working again and returns to the same screen where you last left of the computer. Sleep mode is basically the same thing as standby mode. Sleep mode is useful if you want to stop working for a short period of time. The computer doesn't use much power in sleep mode, but it does use some. So sleep mode is a power saving mode. It uses small amount of power. So whenever we have to we have to work something another, okay, so at that time we can use sleep mode. So we don't want to close our program, the application which we are working on, so we have to go through this sleep mode. So whenever we come back to the computer, we can continue our work with the open screen. Hibernate. Hibernate mode is very similar to sleep, but instead of saving your open document and running application to your RAM, it saves them to your hard disk. It allows your computer to turn off entirely, which means once your computer is in hibernate mode, it uses zero power. So it completely shut down your computer. Once the computer is power back, it will resume everything where you left on. Use this mode if you want to be using your laptop for an extended period of time and you don't want to close your document. So there is a situation if you have to don't work for a long period of time. At that time you can go through this hibernate option because it completely turn off the computer, but it does not closes your applications. Now there is one point is here that hibernate takes more time to restore the computer from the hibernate mode than restoring it from the sleeping mode. So when you are work with sleeping mode, you can quickly get your application back when you are turning on the computer, but when you are using hibernate mode, it takes more time to turning on the computer. Now next is safe mode and normal mode. While using Windows, sometimes it happens that you come across problems that stop Windows from operating normally, and a screen appears instructing you to run Windows in the safe mode. This often happens when the computer is switched off without the proper shutdown procedure. So, when we are not proper shut down your computer, at that time when you are working in the computer, your screen become like hanging in a hanging mode. Okay, so you can't do anything. So whenever you are turning on a computer, you have to turn off your shutdown of your computer properly. The safe mode of Windows allows the user to correct the issues so that the normal functioning of Windows can be resumed. The safe mode is somehow different from the normal mode of the operation in Windows. So we will see how normal mode and safe mode are different from each other. So here is the difference so that you can easily know what is safe mode and what is normal mode. So first is normal mode and second is safe mode. So first point, normal mode is the default operation mode of Windows. When you are turning on your computer, okay, the process will take time. It's a normal procedure or a normal mode of the turning on the computer. And the safe mode, it is a diagnostic mode for troubleshooting issues in a computer system. When there is a problem with the operating system, we are going into the boot mode. Okay, you are going into the booting and see what is the problem is there. Okay, so that mode is known as safe mode. In normal mode, all the files and drivers for the hardware in a computer are loaded during startup for proper functioning of a computer. When you are turning on computer, you can easily see it will take time. So why it will take time? Because the computers are loading the files as well as drivers of the hardware so that you can work very easily after turning on the computer. Whereas in safe mode, Windows loaded with a limited set of files and drivers that are essential for primary functions such as drivers for basic input-output device, etc. So when you are in booting mode, that is safe mode, you can easily see there are only limited options are there, like operating system, then the input drivers, output devices drivers. Okay. Next is Windows appear in high resolution and with all colors. You are using computer, so you know all the screens. Okay, like all the screens have a beautiful appearance, like color are there, themes are there. Okay. Windows appear in lower resolution and with limited color. When you are in booting mode, the screens have only limited colors like black and blue only. Okay. Normal mode. No label is displayed as compared to the safe mode. When you are turning on the computer, you can't see anything like on this screen, like a title or a display okay, or a label. There is nothing in your computer. You will see only the loading process. When you are in safe mode, Windows is operated in the safe mode. The label safe mode is displayed on all the corners of the desktop screen. So when you are in the safe mode, you can see the label that is safe mode at all the desktop corners. So this is the basic difference of the safe mode and normal mode. Thank you. So today we are ending our lesson number 2.